सब्सक्राइब करो ये चैनल को नोटिफिकेशन को मनसो नाक द बेल आइकन को क्लिक करो Number 17a. Define secant of a circle. A line which intersects a circle in two distinct points is called the secant of the circle. The remark po secant of a circle niya ganana. Since pe ye circle ongits mode, ye circle ko ye line point giginio pas kaya. Ya point or ya point kita ye line ara ya point gigini kita intersect kaya ye circle ko. Ini mean ya ko samay niya ganana secant of the circle. Number B. A tangent to a circle is blank to the radius through the point of contact. That you know, ये blank को fill up करना रंगेन. Tangent आरो radius ते फंगनान perpendicular to each other होंगा. यानी कि ये blank को दे perpendicular को कबर नंगेन. Perpendicular. A tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Number C. Two triangles are said to be equiangular if their corresponding angles are blank. So the gegini triangle ni angle rang, mana de corresponding angle rang ne, gegini triangle ni corresponding angle rang. Option also kuse equiangular nim nagana. Ini answer de equal. Two triangles are said to be equiangular if their corresponding angles are equal. Number 18. A steel wire, when bent in the form of a square, encloses an area of 121 cm square. Ino kaniya steel wire ne, kesa steel wire dunga, iko square ni formo piana ne, square ni formo iko bend kata, ya steel wire ko. Ino de square ni formo, since pi ya square ongets mo de, ya steel wire ko nigi square ni formo tharia ne, ino de ini area ra betongana 121 cm square ne. Area of square 121 cm square. If the same wire is bent in the form of a circle, then find the area of the circle. So the option wire con J wire con square thari achmi option wire con circle tharis khane yako square thari pa wire ko iko khulimna dige circle tharis khana dige circle thariani jamanu de maknaganiya area of circle ko find out kanak janangen. Demna pi ni value konso ha 22/7. तो ये area of circle को मानना कितना दे area of circle को calculate करना कितना दे ये radius पैटा उको machine कितना नंगेन. तो ये radius को रा बानने को calculate करके ना radius को calculate करना कितना दे स्कंगबा perimeter of square को machine नंगेन. Perimeter of square को माशी जोकोसा circumference of circle को माशीगेन. Circumference of circle को माशी जोकोसा उन्होंने को radius पुकोट ना मनगेन. दिम्ना radius को माशी जोकोसा area of circle को calculate करना कितना मनगेन. स्कंगबाओ आशीगेन area of square पेटोनाना 121 cm square. And this implies area of square खुरा मैं calculate करना side square ने area of square ने formula de side square. So this is equal to chakrao de 121 dunga dore 121 ko nga 11 square ne ses kana man. And this implies dore left hand side right hand side square root apply kabo ino de root side square is equal to root 11 square. Ino de square root cancel ongo de side equal to ino ba square और root cancel होंगे को दे 11 तेरना इन्हीं unit है centimeter. तो दे ये square नी side 11 centimeter. तो दे square होदे all sides equal. तो दे side कमकान equal वानी गमन ये side 11 centimeter होदे ये भी 11 centimeter ये भी 11 centimeter ये बन 11 centimeter. तो दे मेरा कहना all sides ni measurement ko masya ha all sides of square ni measurement ko masya lo dia makan perimeter of square ko calculate kagen. Perimeter of square ko make calculate kana dekho plus kaibo this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. Mane de 4 into side ongya 4 into side. So this is equal to 4 into side tara beta 11 centimeter. So this is equal to 4 into 11 de 44 centimeter. Daude ya square ni perimeter aro circumference of circle option waigen maina ya option steel wire kon circle tharina jakhala todi ya steel wire ko anga rathonga ba rathongja aro jora ba jora dapja yan option bostuan bye bye ikon circle tharis ka enigman ya steel wire ni length te iko circle una change ka inch moba square uni ko ya circle una change ka inch moba ya steel wire ni ruwa de option waigen tawde perimeter of square 44 cm ungich mode circumference of circle ban option waigen 44 cm ini manas again circumference of circle equal to 44 cm ong phagen ba. And this implies that the circumference of circle ni formula ko left side to sebo. The circumference of circle ni formula ra makena 2 pi r. This is equal to chakraude 44. This implies 2 into pi de beta 22 by 7 equal equation on answer ha into r is equal to 44, and this implies r ko left side don po. The 44 chakrau digna khamo rungo ba 7 kosak chi again into 7 dimna kosako rungo ba 2 into 22 khamachi bas again 2 into 22 the 22 ara 44 de 2 times here 2 2 o 1 times khamore dong jaha kosako de 1 aro 7 1 into 7 de 7 centimeter the radius ko masya ha 7 centimeter. The American radius ko machining man area of circle ko calculate again I chibak set again. Therefore area of circle ni formula ramana pi r square yan area of circle. So this is equal to pi de betana 22 by 7 into radius de betana 7 radius de 7 the beno square dunga in even 7 into 7 says kagena the de 7 de 7 ode 1 times the de 22 into 1 into 7 kode batongonok 154 centimeter square. Yes, area of circle. Or the minute hand of a clock is 7 centimeter long. You know, Korini minute hand ni ruara 7 centimeter. Find the area of the face of the clock by the minute hand between 9 a.m. and 9:35 a.m. Use pi equal to 22 by 7. You know, area of the face of the clock kom nan again. May rakubani kuna 9 a.m. ne 9 a.m. aro 9:35 a.m. ni gisepo j area dunga uni area ko amnagda nangen mane de ya area ne 9 a.m. ode minute hande ya tik takong gonok 12 tik tako tigemna 9:35 ode inong gonok 7 tik tako ini man minute hand ko sania ne hour hand khongja aro second hand khongja kali minute hand mangma ko sania again minute hand 9 a.m. ode ya tik takong gen 12 tik tako digemna ichi 9:35 a.m. ode minute hand inono sokpaganok ne tode ya area yanuni yanuna digirke ne ya area paitonggen uko amnagdanangen todi inode my formula ko sakalena area of sector formula ko sakalena skang baw my khamgena angle described in 60 minutes ne angle described in 60 minutes. Paitana 60 minutes uang ode minute hanara chance pe inoni abachinga ode ndiki gurai ngamna ndiki gurai mung inona iba phalgnok mo inode angle ara betong nok digi round san digi gurai jokode angle ara 360 degree uang iniman angle described in 60 minutes de 360 degree. Now the angle described in 1 minute comes again angle described in 1 minute. Angle described in 1 minute te patong skagnok. So the angle described in 60 minutes 360 degree ode angle described in 1 minute kom nagde makana left hand side right hand side 60 chi divide kabone. Left hand side ko na 60 divide kode 60 divided by 60 de 1 ungnok iniman 1 minute ungya. So then left hand side ko 60 chi divide ka ode right hand side ko by 60 chi divide kana again iniman 360 degree iko nga 60 chi divide again. So the angle described in 60 minutes 360 degree ode angle described in 1 minute 360 degree by 60 onskenga. So the cancel kabo 0 0 cancel 6 ara 36 ode 6 times ongya. So this is equal to 6 degree. Angle described in 1 minute 6 degree. So the since length of minute hand, since length of minute hand is equal to 7 centimeter, length of minute hand equal to 7 centimeter. So the length of minute hand ko the question on ha 7 centimeter. So the yarong jok radius ne. The length of minute hand yan radius nga yarong jok 7 centimeter. So the maikam gina area described in 35 minutes. Area described in 35 minutes. Area described in 35 minutes. Ode ikora make am gena pi r square into theta by 360 ne ya formula ko sakhalam again. So this is equal to, so the area described in 35 minutes main given nga 35 minutes ni siya maina 9 am ode ya tikta ko again minute hanara 12 tikta ko tigim na 9:35 am ode ya 7 tikta ko again ne ya 7 tikta ko ya minute hand ge sok again ini man inuna 135 inuna 35 minutes ungya digi gurai ba ode ini man nga siya area described in 35 minutes mande ya area ne ya area ko hum nagdan angel. To the pi rong jok 22 by 7. To the radius ara petana 7 centimeter divide no square dunga ini man 7 into 7 anga ses again into to the theta ra petana theta de 35 minutes ong jok de petong ya uko calculate kanangene. Angle described in 1 minute da should calculate ka ha 6 degree. The 1 minute on angle 6 degree on ode 35 minutes ode angle betang uskagena 60 35 ko multiply kanangene. Angle described in 1 minute you can make a machine. Angle described in 1 minute 6 degree on ode 35 minutes jode angle betang uskageno 60 35 ko multiply kanangene. 6 into 35 6 into 35 yes angle described in 35 minutes uskagena divided by 360. 6 into 35 by 360. This is equal to, today cancel kabo 7 ara 7 o 1 times 5 chiku cancel kabo de 5 ara 35 o 7 times inode beta times 5 into 7 35 36 minus 35 to 1 0 around 10 5 2s are 10 6 ara 6 and 1 times they give us 72 de beta 12 times ba 2 chi cancel kau de 2 ara 22 de 11 times ino de 6 times so de multiply kabo iniman this is equal to 539 divided by kamo de khali 6 anjok so 6 chi 539 ko divide kagin chmo de betong ena 89.83 centimeter square.